Good boy, Archie. Good boy. Hop, hop. Hop. Come on. All right. Look. Look, Archie. Come on. Hop, hop. Hop, up. Come on. You can do it. Yes. Good. Good boy. Good boy. All right. So this is little Archie, little miniature poodle. He's jumping up in the truck. Come on. Hop, up. Hop. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. We can get a better view. Come on. Let's see. Come on. Hop, hop. Hop. Come on. Oh, no, you're not going to do it. Come on. Hop, hop. Come on. Oh, come on. I get the camera on you and you decide not to do it. Come on. Taters, move. Archie, up, up. Up, up. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're going to freeze up on me? Nope. Come on. One more time. One more time, buddy. Come on. Come on. Up, up. Up. Oh. Oh, there we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That was your worst one, but come on. Come on. Hup, hup. Hup. Come on, Archie. Come on. Hup, hup. Come on. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. You are a fine-tuned athletic machine. Come on, buddy. Hup, hup. Come on. Yes. Yes. All right, so there you have it. That's the same. I did this the same way with Archie as I was doing with Charlie. And this little miniature poodle can jump up there. I know that big golden retriever can. All right, see you on the next one. Toodles.